Hey everyone! In today's Kinsta quick tip, you'll learn how MyKinsta user roles work. With our multi-user feature, you can create and manage a team. We offer a number of different roles to allow you to fine-tune user access. Today, I'm going to explain each company and site level role within the Kinsta ecosystem. When inviting or modifying a user, the first choice you'll need to make is to either assign the user at the company level or at the site level. Site level users only have access to specific sites you assign them to, while company users can see the company level details. For company roles, you have a company owner, company administrator, company developer, and company billing. First is the company owner. The company owner role is a special role. A company owner is the only user in a company who can request an account closure. Apart from that, they are the same as company administrators. A company administrator has the highest level of access. They have a complete control of all company and site data. Only give company administrators to users who you trust the most. Next is a company developer. A company developer has access to manage all sites, including deleting them, and can manage site level users. However, they cannot see billing details or company settings. Now to the special role, the company billing role. This role only sees billing details and company settings. They can see invoices, enable automatic invoice emails, and modify the company details like name and address. However, they cannot access websites like company developers can. For site access roles, you have site administrator and site developer. A site administrator has complete access to a site and has full control of all environments attached to that site. The only action they cannot do is remove a site from a company's account. A single user can be a site administrator for multiple sites. Next is a site developer. A site developer has access to the staging environment for a single site. They have full control over the staging environment and can perform any actions apart from removing the staging environment and pushing it to live. Like a site administrator, a single user can be a site developer for multiple sites. They do not have access to analytics, user management, or the activity log features in MyKinsta. As you can see, there are many options to fine-tune your user access experience here at Kinsta. And that's our quick tip for today. For more WordPress tips and tricks, visit kinsta.com/resources. Make sure you also check out our YouTube channel and Instagram. If you have any questions, our support team is available 24/7 to help you out.